So let me show you what I ordered. I'm so excited. Hello and welcome back to my channel. So today I have an unboxing that I would like to do. I recently placed an order with Erin Condren after not placing an order for a while. Basically, I had ordered from her a couple years ago the life planner and the teacher planner, and I hardly used them. Yeah. So I decided that, you know what, if I am going to use a planner, I'm just going to buy an inexpensive one that I can find at Home Goods. But Erin Condren still has a lot of cute things that I wanted to purchase. And here is my unboxing of my Erin Condren order that just came in this weekend. So I can't wait to open this box together with you. Let's get to it. And here we go. Ready? I always love how they just package everything. It's just so pretty. And this one happens to be the teal color or the aqua color, and even the tissue paper inside is that color. And I love this little postcard that you can actually send to your friends or to anyone, and it just says, "Hope is the only thing stronger than fear." And see on the back, you can fill it out and mail it out. So that's really cute. And there's this sticker, and it says "Enjoy to from" that you can put on a gift or a package to someone. And I love how they also put the "Enjoy" sticker right on there as well. So let me show you what I ordered. I'm so excited. All right. Oh, it's really packed, really nice, and like nice little bubble wrap. Okay, first things first. So as you know, if you have been following me for a while, I love art. I'm an artist at heart. So I got the Creative Color set of 12 color pencils. It comes in a tin, so I can carry these wherever I go. I'm just going to open them so I can kind of show you, because I want to see myself too, how they look inside. And I do have a problem collecting art supplies. I think I have a lot of different art supplies, but I really like these color pencils because they're all in black wood. And look how beautiful this is inside. It even has a quote. "The ones who are crazy enough to think they can color the world are the ones who do." That is just beautiful. So inspirational and motivating. So I really love this. Uh-oh, one of them got out of the way. Come on, get back in so I can close you. Yeah, so I just love this, and I'm so excited that I got it. Next thing. So I saw these pencils, and again, I had to have them. They're so cute. They have the little asterisk, which is part of the logo for Erin Condren, and these pencils say wish, create. This one says dazzle, wonder. Oh boy, this one doesn't want to move. Shine, and the last one, well, you know what? Why don't I just take them out of the package, you know? I just don't want to tear the box apart. Why? I'm not going to use the box. Okay. Come out. Ooh, and they already come sharpened. All right, so this is really neat. I just took them out of the box, and I just noticed that they already come sharpened. These say wish, create, dazzle, wonder, shine, and celebrate. So let me see if I can show you how that looks. And on the back, they have the asterisks as well. So those are really neat, and they're already come sharpened. That's very convenient. Let's put you back in there. The next thing, I think this is the main thing that I ordered in this particular order was notepads. So I saw their notepads, and I'm like, how adorable are those notepads? And they have these little tapes so that you can put them in, I guess, the planners and so forth. But let me take this tape out so I can show you. They come 2 in a pack. Depending on what size you order, that's how much they are. I don't remember off the top of my head, and I don't see my receipt in here, but I want to show you what I designed, because I wanted one notepad to be for me as a teacher, and I wanted one notepad for my pencils and magic wands. So here's my notepad with my name and my school, and I like it because it has the watercolor apples in the top. So that is the 6x8 medium notepad. And then my big notepad, which is one of the ones that I will be taking with me to Nashville when I go to the Pay Teachers Conference. This is the largest one that they have, which is the 7x10 notepad. And this one just has my name and pencils and magic wands. And I love the circles at the top, different colors. And this is, by the way, how it looks on the back with the little sticky backs. You can put them somewhere, like a planner and things. So yeah, this is my Erin Condren order, and I'm so excited to have gotten it. I love notebooks. I love pencils and pens and color pencils and crayons. I just love everything art. So I love, love, love my Erin Condren, and I'm so happy to have been able to share it with you. So that's it. Very short video. I just wanted to dedicate one video just to the unboxing of my Erin Condren order. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to hit the like button. Also, let me know in the comments down below if you've ordered anything from Erin Condren. What is your favorite item that you have ordered from them? And also, if you haven't subscribed, go ahead and subscribe and hit the bell for notifications so you don't miss any future videos. Have a beautiful, magical day, and don't forget to smile.